Hello everyone, here we come with the question of the day and hope it will be useful for you in your coming entrance exams. The question is, a 62-year male patient was admitted for aortic valve replacement. 3 months later, he developed continuous fever and diagnosed as a case of endocarditis. Blood cultures were done and the staining from bacterial colonies showed gram-positive cocci. They were catalase positive and coagulase negative. Which organism is responsible for this condition? And the options are Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Enterococcus, and Streptococcus viridans. The catching point in this question is, first it is a case of aortic valve replacement and then the patient is presenting 3 months later. So the time period we have to note, and it is already told a case of endocarditis. The main thing to notice here is that the bacterial colonies are showing gram-positive cocci, which are catalase positive and coagulase negative. So these are all the catching points in this question. And we proceeded here with the gram-positive cocci as given in the question. So among the options which we are having Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Enterococcus and Streptococcus viridans, we divide these 4 options into catalase positive and catalase negative organisms. All these 4 options are gram-positive cocci, but as the question says, we want catalase positive organisms only. So all species of Staphylococcus are catalase positive and all species of Streptococcus as well as Enterococcus are catalase negative. So finally we are left with only 2 options, that is the Staphylococcus aureus and the Staphylococcus epidermidis, which are catalase positive, and the other 2 options are excluded. So commit to memory. The catalase test differentiates Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Staphylococcus is catalase positive and Streptococcus is catalase negative. So now we move to the next catching point in the question, that is the coagulase negative. We already have got the catalase positive organisms, 2 options, that is the Staphylococcus aureus and the epidermidis, and we have to get a coagulase negative organism out of them. So the Staphylococcus aureus is coagulase positive and Staphylococcus epidermidis is coagulase negative. And another species of Staphylococcus, that is the Staphylococcus saprophyticus, is also an important pathogen. So we commit to memory that coagulase test differentiates different species of Staphylococcus. And I repeat that the catalase test differentiates Staphylococcus from Streptococcus. So now in the options, our final answer is Staphylococcus epidermidis, which is gram-positive cocci, catalase positive and coagulase negative. Also important to note here is that it is a case of aortic valve replacement, that is a prosthetic valve replacement has been done, and within 3 months the patient developed endocarditis. So this time period is important to correlate with the type of organism which is causing this condition. If it is a late onset prosthetic valve endocarditis which is occurring more than 1 year later, then the possible organism is Streptococcus viridans, but as given in the question it is within 1 year, that is 3 months. So the early onset prosthetic valve endocarditis is caused by Staphylococcus epidermidis. Also, if instead of prosthetic valve it is a native valve causing endocarditis, then the possible organism is Staphylococcus aureus. Also please note down that the important organism which is causing dental caries is Streptococcus mutans, and the organism causing subacute bacterial endocarditis is Streptococcus viridans. So this is a list of organisms with the important and different type of endocarditis it correlates to. So guys, I hope it was useful to you, and please write in the comment box which other topic you want me to do. And do subscribe for further videos. Thank you.